Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best Halloween decorations for home available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 5 we have the Lakeside wooden decorative home. You can celebrate the time of year in a unique and decorative way. That's calm with the interchangeable sentiment or icon set. You can place the pieces next to each other to spell out home with the O replaced by one of the 10 icons representing the seasons. At number 4 we have Fourth Emotion Halloween Pillow. This pillow cover fits 18 by 18 inch insert. Its color coordinated hidden zipper closure brings an elegant appearance. And it's super easy to stuff pillows fillers into this pillow covers. At number 3 we have Halloween Witch Decorations. This super cute trio of witches are ready to cast a few spells in your home's kitchen or living room as holiday or party decorations. This witch figurines each feature a tall pointed hat and a variety of adorable accessories. This Halloween party decorations come in 3 individual pieces boast a stable. At number 2 we have Halloween Leg Gnomes decorations. The gnomes are 100% handmade and surely satisfy your quality requirement. The gnome is made of super soft felt fabric while the beard is made of faux fur. They are also decorated with the vivid plastic spiders. At number 1 we have Mannys mysterious decoration. Spooky decor is something that you might be interested in year-round, not just during Halloween. You can put all of your odd and creepy knickknacks into this shelf. If you have a horror decor or goth decor themed room, this coffin shelf will go great on top of any countertop. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best Halloween decorations for home for your need.